cradle of civilization, where history whispers through the ages, one humble seed has played a pivotal role: sesame. For millennia, sesame seeds have been cherished globally, not just for their culinary delights, but also for their cultural and medicinal significance. Sesame seeds have been revered world over for centuries. They're not just a staple ingredient, they're a symbol of abundance, prosperity, and vitality. Today, in the heart of Middle East, there's one company carrying this rich legacy, combining tradition with innovation to bring you the finest sesame seeds and its products. Welcome to Wilmington Foods.
At Wilmington Foods, we are not just processing sesame seeds, we are honoring a tradition that spans thousands of years. Our commitment to quality and excellence drives every aspect of our operation.
To ensure the highest quality of sesame, only the best sesame seeds are sourced from dedicated farmers across the Africa and Indian subcontinent. The journey of our sesame seeds begins with loading for pre-cleaning, eliminating impurities. We begin with the thorough cleaning of sesame seeds, ensuring all debris is removed. Subsequently, the seeds undergo a gentle misting process, allowing their hulls to soften. Next, precision machinery delicately hulls the seeds, removing their outer layer with care. As the sesame seeds embark on their cleansing journey, they are gently submerged into water, where any impurities are swiftly whisked away. With meticulous care, each seed is gently scrubbed, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. After washing, the sesame seeds are dried to perfection. Then, a fully automated color sorting system meticulously examines each seed, ensuring only the finest quality sesame makes it to your table. Witness as the seeds emerge revitalized, delivering only the purest sesame seeds. The fully mechanized integrated plant ensures precision and efficiency at every step of the process. From harvesting to packaging, quality is Wilmington's top priority. The quality sesame processed at Wilmington Foods is also transformed into a range of delectable products, including creamy tahini and irresistible halwa, which is prepared in a state-of-the-art, fully mechanized facility. Wilmington has mastered the art of crafting tahini. The process starts by roasting the seeds to perfection, followed by a crucial cooling phase. Then, the precision grinding process ensures the finest texture. After passing through our metal detector for safety, each batch is carefully packaged, delivering pure perfection in every jar or a container.
نحن في مصنع ويلمنتون فود لدينا مختبرنا الخاص، لذا تخضع جميع المنتجات إلى الرقابة الصارمة من قبل فريق الجودة، ابتداء من المنتج الخام إلى المنتج النهائي، جميعها يخضع للرقابة الصارمة من قبل فريق الجودة والمختبر، حيث أننا نقوم بفحص جميع المنتجات الخام والمنتجات النهائية في المختبر قبل طرحها في الأسواق المحلية والعالمية.
At Wilmington Foods, we prioritize quality at every step. In our state-of-the-art in-house laboratories, we conduct rigorous tests to ensure the highest standards of sesame and tahini. Because excellence is not just a goal, but a commitment to our valued clients. From creamy white to rich charcoal black, our organically grown sesame seeds offer a spectrum of flavors and nutritional benefits, catering to diverse palates and preferences. With a global distribution network from the heart of Middle East, Wilmington Foods brings the goodness of sesame seeds to every corner of the world, ensuring that whether natural, hulled, or blended, our products enrich every culinary creation. Wilmington Foods is more than just a supplier. We're a partner in culinary innovation. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the market. Wilmington Foods, where tradition meets innovation and quality meets passion. Join us as we continue our mission to enrich lives with exceptional food products, rooted in the timeless legacy of sesame seeds.